Hello everyone, welcome to this guided body scan meditation. Let us begin by finding a comfortable sitting position, preferably on a chair. Let your feet rest on the floor, hands resting comfortably on the lap with eyes closed. See if you can keep your spine straight while your muscles relax around it. In this meditation, we'll be focusing our attention on different body sensations. Today, we'll use the sensations of our body to help anchor our awareness to the present moment experience. You'll find that your mind frequently wanders away from your anchor. See if you can notice when your mind has wandered, and without making any judgments about yourself, gently bring your attention back to the sensations in your body. It is the nature of the mind to think, and we are not trying to stop the mind from thinking. We are just training the mind to focus better by learning to notice when it has wandered away and gently bringing it back to our present moment experience. Now bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or tightness in your body. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm and let your body find its own state of ease and comfort. As we begin this meditation, we will systematically explore each part of the body, bringing our awareness to the sensations that arise. Remember to maintain a sense of non-judgmental observation throughout the practice. Let us begin by bringing our awareness to the bottom of our feet as we notice the feeling of our feet resting against the floor. See if you can just notice the sensations in your feet where they rest against the floor. Now, as you continue to watch the sensations in your feet, allow yourself to become aware of your breath moving in and out of the body. See if you can imagine your breath moving in and out through the bottom of your feet. Now slowly shift your attention to your lower legs and calves. Notice any areas of tension, tightness, or relaxation. Allow your awareness to encompass your shins, calves, and ankles. Breathe into any sensations you may notice, acknowledging them without judgment. Moving up to your knees and thighs, bring your attention to the sensations in this area. Notice the contact between your legs and any supporting surface. Observe any sensations that arise, whether they are pleasant or uncomfortable. Simply be present with whatever is being felt. Shift your focus now to your pelvis and lower abdomen. Notice the rise and fall of your breath in this area. Bring your awareness to any sensations of tightness or softness. Allow your attention to embrace this part of your body with curiosity and acceptance. Continue to scan your attention upwards, reaching your midsection and upper abdomen. Observe any sensations present, such as warmth, coolness, or any movements related to digestion or breath. Allow your awareness to gently rest here, cultivating a sense of connection with your body. Moving further up, become aware of your chest and heart center. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the expansion and the contraction of your chest as you inhale and exhale. Tune into any sensations that arise in this area, embracing them with an open and compassionate heart. Bring your attention now to your back and spine. Observe the sensations along your spine as it supports your body. Notice any areas of tension or relaxation. Allow your breath to flow freely, releasing any tightness or holding. Direct your awareness to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Notice the weight of your arms and the sensations in your shoulders. Observe any tingling, warmth, or relaxation in your hands. Take a moment to appreciate all the things your hands have done for you. Finally, shift your focus to your neck, face, and head. Observe any sensations in this area, such as tension in your jaw, warmth in your cheeks, or the rise and fall of your breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils. Allow your attention to encompass your entire face, bringing a sense of relaxation and softness. Take a few moments now to expand your awareness to include your whole body. Feel the sensations in your body as a whole, noticing any areas of tension, relaxation, or the gentle rise and fall of your breath. As we conclude this body scan meditation, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension or discomfort. Allow a sense of relaxation and peace to wash over your entire being. Take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being. Whenever you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment and slowly open your eyes. May you carry the sense of calm and connection you cultivated during this practice through your entire day. Namaste.